What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Captain A380 once again with another aircraft review. Now, I don't know if Major HD or 777 Die Hard Forever featured this aircraft, but I'm going to feature it right now. Lufthansa AIRBUS A380 in the 1/200 scale by Skymarks. Let me give you some heads-up information about Lufthansa and how this air carrier came into existence. Lufthansa was originally started in 1923, and it went under another name. And take about a couple of years later, another carrier brought the carrier that was started in 1923 and would officially be known as Lufthansa. Lufthansa's primary hub is Flughafen, Frankfurt International Airport in Frankfurt, Germany. They operate a total about some 1,000 aircraft, and of the 1,000 are Airbus A380s. The A380 here could be used on the international routes to Miami, Washington Dulles, San Francisco International, Los Angeles International Airport, and New York John F. Kennedy International. And just recently, in 2013, Houston George H. Bush Intercontinental welcomed Lufthansa's A380 for the very first time. And now, that's the heads-up information on Lufthansa. Now, let me give you a tour of the aircraft. Bring this ahead. The sag ports and PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Lufthansa is a member of Star Alliance. The L1 door, the Lufthansa livery, the 4 Rolls-Royce turbofan engines come along the leading edges of the aircraft, and the registration of this aircraft is D-AIMA. That is Delta Alpha India Mike Alpha. That you see right there on the A380, just above the bulk bin door. The Lufthansa crane. Now I'll take you to the APU. The APU housing, the auxiliary power unit that you see right there. I'll place my camera phone right under there. The horizontal stabilizers. There are a pair of lights that illuminates the tail as the aircraft is in flight and while taxiing. The Lufthansa crane. The registration of this aircraft come along the wings up towards first class. The first galley for the head purser. And Lufthansa's A380 has a crew of 3: captain, first officer, and flight engineer. The seating configuration of this aircraft is about 850 passengers. I'll give you a better view. Right there. I'm giving you a 360 of the A380. Very nicely done by Skymarks. A bird's eye view right there. And run around just a little bit, and that's good. Now, I hope you enjoyed this tour of Lufthansa's Airbus A380 by Skymarks. If you like my videos, check out my videos